What's up, guys? What's good? We are here with Steven.
What's up, guys?
We're hella twinning right now, and then we got Carney in the back.
We're actually
We're all wearing maroon and gray pants, but today we are going to be installing some LED lights. So this video is sponsored by Oxbeam. We're going to be doing some white underglow. We'll see how that looks, and then we're going to put some white underglow in the trunk area as well. So I'm thinking we're going to light this car up really well so you can see the surge tank at night really well, and another piece inside as well. So Steven's doing kind of the same thing, but he's doing pods. I'm doing an LED strip. Here's a Carney's car, also Loud Pack Customs. We'll plug them down below. Any LED or wiring you need, hit them up. Car's up in the air though.
I don't think that outlet's on.
So these are the wires we're working with once it gets supplied by Oxbeam. So these are going to be pretty nice underneath, pretty beefy too.
Yeah, for sure.
Do a little test for you guys.
And then God said, "Let there be light."
So now we hooked it up, or he hooked it up. So keys do not have to be in the ignition for the light to be on. Alright, so the wires are ran underneath, up through here, through the side pillar, whatever you want to call that. Inside where we took off this molding piece, trim piece, ran it up into the fuse box, which we are using, because now we don't have to use the key every time. We're using 15A, which is, if you guys can see, 15A is the seat warmer. So we're running that into the fuse, and then we will ground the yellow wire to this bolt right there. So everything will look super dope underneath. It's perfect length of underneath. So now we're doing the other side. Gonna run the wires through and then get to the inside as well. You guys want to see the tomei? That's just a nice pipe. Getting it all taped up.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna put some mounts on it.
Just running it underneath, behind the side skirt, all the way back.
You won't see it.
All right, here we go. Test.
Yep. That works.
Boy, those are bright.
Damn, it's gonna be sick at like when you're parked over smooth pavement too, and like or like water.
Yeah.
You can see that.
All right, both sides are in. Yeah. I'll have to get some night shots when it's perfectly dark out, but we'll go here. This might be a good angle.
Yeah, you got it from the back.
Yeah, hit it. It looks dope. Alright, big thanks to Carney, this man right here. We finished it up. We're not doing the inside because they're way too big. They're 58 inches, so super long to fit anywhere inside the car. So
Unless we went front to back.
probably get shorter ones and install those, but I'll wait until night to fully show you guys the underglow underneath the car, but it looks pretty mint. So huge thanks. Steven's car's up next. He's doing pods. You want to show him?
Got these little pods right here. So we're gonna use 5 of them.
Yeah, those are gonna look sick. We're gonna be flexing on the game with these lights now.
Definitely, thanks to Carney for sure.
Alright.
Pack Customs.
Plug. All right, I'll show you guys the lights when it gets dark out in a little bit. All right, let me show you guys the car. Totally forgot last night, but it was pouring down sideways. It's currently 6:49 in the morning. Gotta go to work soon. it's still dark enough out to show you the LEDs. If you guys didn't see them on my story first, that's where you could have seen them, on Instagram. So make sure to follow me there. But we got the little button switch right here. Let me get my flashlight. There it is right there. So what you do is go ahead and click it. And bam. There you go, Underglow. Post it up right so nice on Instagram. Some of you guys like it, some of you guys don't. Honestly, it is what it is. I think it looks pretty clean because it's white. It's not any other color. I mean, if it was multicolor, then maybe, yeah, it's pushing it. But for the most part, it's just white. I wanted to do the inside too, but I couldn't find, or the pieces that came with it were way too long. So Steven had a good idea of putting it on the inside of this window, so it shot down in the interior, which I think would really clean it up and look good for interior shots. But yeah, then simply just click it again and it goes off. So I'm following this video up. It's been a couple days since we installed, but hang on, it's a little dark in here. I think I need to brighten it up a little. Boom. There we go. So I've mocked up an LED in the back. It's not as clean as Carney could do, but it's good enough for me right now. It's a little too big, so I'll have to get a smaller size. But Steven and I are going to go take product shots of the LEDs we have installed. So we're going to go out and I'll catch you guys in a few for some cinematic shots. Peace. Boop, boop, boop. Here's how the car looks. I wish it was a little bit darker. These lights in here are pretty bright. I'll go ahead and show you the lights inside though. So they're both hooked up to this little tab. There's two of them. Click it and boom. Let there be light. So I ran it along the undersill. As you can see, it's quite long. It goes all the way over to both sides of the car. I like the way it turned out though, that's for sure. Definitely brightens up the whole car. You can definitely see the cage really well, and you can really see the surge tank now. Alright boys, video's done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Remember Steven, you know, I'll plug his Instagram. I'll plug up Carney's who did our work. He'll probably be back down for more. He said he could hook up my hella horns because I have no horns, and living in the Bay Area, I think I definitely need horns now. So just hook that up to like a switch or something. But LEDs are in and they look pretty dope. I got the strip style where, as you see, Steven has the pod style. So which one do you guys like more? They both look super clean. They both have their different styles. Let me know, and I'll catch you guys later.
Peace out, guys.